name is Chef Tim Franks. I'm with CMS Flavorseal Systems, and we are your cook-chill one-stop shop for supplies and equipment. Here's a nice, simple starting system. I've got a little pump here. This can hook up to any kettle on the market, and we're going to pump food right out of a kettle hot, say 180 degrees. In this application, we're just doing water. We're pumping out liquid. We're measuring the liquid.
Yeah.
So we can measure out the liquid to anything you want it to be, say a half gallon or a gallon. And at that point, we're going to heat seal it. We can use many different types of sealers. Besides a heat sealer, we have larger standalone units, and we also have clipping devices. So at that point, I'm using the foot pedal down below, and I'm going to step on that, and our heat seal is going to quickly heat seal that. I'm going to do it one more time. So we're heat sealing, short time period. Now we're taking our product, imagine this being hot soup or marinara sauce or anything. And we're dropping this into our chiller. Now our chiller is 40 degrees and below, between 35 and 40 degrees. We're going to chill our hot soups down in about an hour so they're now safe and they're in a nice tight package. So this application is good for producing massive amounts of food and increasing production. And it's also very safe and very green. We like to say that we can do 8 50-gallon batches in 8 hours, from the kettle to the chiller and into your refrigerator. This is just the beginning system. So for Cook Chill, we want to be your Cook Chill supplier of bags and also equipment.
You're not trying to sell me or anything, are you?
Just trying to sell you a little bit.
Okay. Go ahead, go for it.
Cook Chill has been out there since the 70s, and they've been working with any size kettle and multiple different size pumping stations and sealing stations. They originally started off with clipping devices, but now they're kind of going into heat sealing devices. At this point, you can make a package look like a gallon pouch or a long 2-gallon bag. So this could be anything from something used in the kitchen to actually going on the grocery store shelf. And then they've got chilling devices like our 50-gallon chiller that chills quickly 50 gallons of product, but you also have large chillers that do up to 300 gallons of product, also chilled in 1 hour. We also do the packaging, so we can take carts and dollies. You don't have to use shelves anymore. You don't have to use containers anymore. Once it comes out of the kettle, it goes into the bag, and then it can actually be transported right to the restaurant, still in the bag, rethermed in the bag, and heated in the bag. Besides doing liquids, we do muscle meats, and this is also used in Sous Vide product. So under the food code, it's called reduced oxygen packaging. Reduced oxygen packaging is primarily looked at as being safer and non-contaminable. So instead of being good for 5 days, food is now good for 30 days in a standard refrigerator, not frozen.
So let me ask you this. Is this bag going to replace chefs?
This bag won't replace chefs, but it will replace the plastic containers with a lid that can be open, they can be contaminated. So this is a great way to store your product, chill your product, reheat your product, and also help portion your product. And with the racks and baskets and dollies, with these bags in there, you can actually take it, make it into satellite or a commissary, and then send it out to a satellite location on trucks. And it's still in the proper container, so that you've got no problem with transport.
So it would help with inventory as well then?
Definitely inventory as well. We also work on labeling systems. That can be a sticker on the bag that would actually be barcoded. So imagine instead of having our name on here, having a barcode, and that way now you've got inventory going. A lot of the companies out there, Cisco, US Food, take our bags, sell our bags to customers, and they are packaging them into boxes and distributing them the same way. So we help out the small person, and we also work with the large distributors because we do manufacture the bags.
And how much is that machine you just showed me?
This chiller is a 50-gallon product chiller. It sells for $55,000.
Right. Can you just wrap one of those up for me right now?
I can put that in a pallet and have it for you at the end of the show. This
All right.
one here.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Well, thank you.
Say hi to Dallas.
Hi, Dallas. Chef Tim Franks, call me. CMS Flavorseal.